Kawasaki's litre-class naked motorcycle, the Z1000, was recently updated to MY2021. The Japanese manufacturer unveiled the updated motorcycle in the international market. The 2021 Z1000 does not feature many changes as compared to the previous model. The updated motorcycle features a new paint scheme. The 2021 Z1000 features an all-black paint scheme that is complemented with red pinstriping on the side fairing, headlamp shroud, and rear fairing. It also features red pinstripes on both wheels. Kawasaki will be offering the 2021 Z1000 with a single color option. The previous model used to feature a black and green paint scheme which will no longer be available. Apart from the new paint, all other features and equipment remain the same on the new model. It continues to feature the distinctive twin-pod headlamp that gives the motorcycle an aggressive-looking front fascia. Adding to the looks are the muscular-looking fuel tank and a sleek tail section. The side profile of the motorcycle is accentuated by twin exhaust units placed on either side. The motorcycle features LED headlamps, tail lamps, and turn signal indicators. It also features a semi-digital instrument cluster that offers a host of information to the rider. However, we would have liked to see a TFT console considering the price point of the motorcycle. The 2021 Kawasaki Z1000 will feature an updated version of the same engine that powered the BS4 models. The engine could very well be updated to meet BS6 emission standards, which will make it legal in the Indian market. The liquid-cooled inline 4-cylinder 1043cc DOHC engine produces a maximum of 140 brake horsepower at 10,000 rpm and a peak torque of 111 Nm at 7,300 rpm. The engine comes mated to a 6-speed gearbox with a slip assist clutch. The motorcycle comes with the bare minimum electronic aids such as dual-channel ABS. The motorcycle misses out on the brand's traction control or any form of cornering ABS that is offered on other models in the lineup. Suspension on the motorcycle is handled by a 41mm BPF inverted fork sourced from Showa and a horizontal black link monoshock setup at the rear from Öhlins. Both suspension units are fully adjustable. Braking on the motorcycle is done via 310mm dual pedal discs with radially mounted monoblock calipers and a 250mm pedal unit at the rear. The motorcycle features 17-inch lightweight alloy wheels shod with high-performance tires. The Kawasaki Z1000 is still one among the most affordable litre-class premium motorcycles that was sold in the Indian market. Kawasaki could bring the 2021 motorcycle to the Indian market owing to the growing demand for performance motorcycles in the market. Not much has changed on the 2021 Z1000. As a result, the prices can be expected to remain similar to the previous model when launched in India. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share, and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.